Infinite. Infinite. Infinite.
Hello and welcome to Oscar Whitmarsh's Make a Computer Show. This week he is using the scissors, a new technique he has developed. As you can see, he is cutting the bits of plastic away as a key to this part of the development.
Oh, scissors fucking fits.
And as you just said, scissors do fucking fit.
We can't swear on YouTube.
Yeah, you can.
You
Can you
can?
swear on YouTube?
Of course you can.
Oh, fucking hell, yes.
Fucking shitting motherfucking yeah.
Coughs down.
Wop, wop.
Anyway, back to the commentary here. And he's slowly but surely applying the side panel here.
Get it on, Whitmarsh. Get it on.
He's not very good at getting it on, particularly with girls.
Ah, nice.
A slow little bitch.
Now let's see how it looks with the front. Oh yes.
I need something to pick up. No, nothing to hold on this fucking case to turn it. And one little lonely SATA drive that will go here after you're done C-Direct. Oh,
Need the power connector
no.
as well.
So I can plug another one into the game. Molex. Modular power supply is what I expect the Windows is fucked. I expect it does need a bit of clean install. Can you hear the hard drive turn that thing there?
Just the monitoring coming on. Ah, there we go. Try start Windows normally. Wait, will it blue screen?
It'll be interesting. Tom, Windows already installed? Pre-installed?
Oh, is it?
No.
Are you booting from the...
The old SSD on my laptop.
Yeah. I doubt it would work.
No, I doubt it will either. But, it's worth a try. I'm so proud of that wine. It's so anal. Oh mate, it's been there far too long. Hasn't it? It obviously needs to boot with the monitor connected. It doesn't have the monitor connected.
Probably, yeah.
Post, you know. Alright, let's get you a SATA cable. Okay, maybe a SATA cable. Hi! Hello there. While we're getting things ready, we're going to tell you something you don't care about. But you got no choice because you got nowhere else to go. But hey, take a look at the new Windows anyway. I know you don't want to and really don't give a shit. And it's kind of forced upon you, but here we go. Move your mouse to any corner. Okay. Myself. Oh my god. No way, you British. This has been a good day. Good presentation.
That's gone without a hitch.
I've got my
Ooh.
I don't want to press the reset button. It's got lights that light up the back of the I/O. So if you're trying to put cables in at night, or it's dark around the back of your case, it sweet.
Yeah, there you go. There's Windows 8.
Beautiful. Right, first one.
Nah.
Because this is of course. Oh, why is it an error? The first thing first is Google Chrome.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's the only reason you use one, is it? To download Chrome.
Yeah. Exactly.
In case you guys haven't worked it out yet, Google is going to take over the world. It's only a matter of time.
Please don't die.